guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Alyssa and today we are going to be doing a fun and flirty hairstyle for the summer and spring, so if you're interested, keep watching. Okay, so part your hair directly down the middle and then you could just take the extra section and put it over here. So the only product I'm going to use is this almond jaw to help with the twist, and just these regular rubber bands. Do not get the shiny ones because those tend to break. Get the ones that are like a rubber material, but not the one that's like plastic. So I'm gonna start with the first part here. Okay, so you have the part, and I just like to twist this to the side just so that I don't pick up any extra pieces when I'm doing the other twist. So we're just gonna, you can clip it to the side, twist it, braid it, whatever you want to do. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of the almond butter, and this is mainly to keep moisture and help the twist look neat. I'm going to split that first piece off and I'm going to twist it over the other side. Do that twice, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of hair to each section as I twist back. Okay, so we have our first twist. So you're going to take a rubber band, put it in there, and then you're just going to tighten it as tight as you can, like that. And then you can just add this hair to the next side. Take your comb again to the same size section. Okay, just brushing it out, adding our almond butter. Okay, so we have half done. I'm going to go ahead and finish the other side and I will be back. I thought I would just quickly show you how I do the other side. Okay, so I finished my twist and this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and style my hair like I normally do, and I'm going to diffuse it and then we will see what it looks like. So alright guys, so I am done. It still has a little bit of drying to do, but I went ahead and diffused it, and honestly I love it. I haven't done this hairstyle in like 5-6 years, but I really do think it's cute, and I think with butterfly clips and just the way that the summer is going to be with bright colors and vibrant, I think this is definitely going to be a look this spring summer. So go ahead and do it, sis. I think you'll like it. Okay guys, so it's actually the next day and I just wanted to show you what my hair looks like fully dried, and I'm actually going to do my edges today. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the olive oil eco gel and just put it in certain areas so I can get some baby hairs nice and laid. And then I'm just going to take a regular brush, regular edge brush. And so I'm a fan of more subtle edges, so I'm not too dramatic with it, but you can just do that to give it an extra edge. And I also thought it would be super cute to do the butterfly clips. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like with the butterfly clips. I actually really like it. I definitely think it's a different look. It gives me throwback all the way, but I think this summer is going to be very fun, vibrant with beautiful fashion colors, and I think adding some throwbacks wouldn't hurt. So if you like this video, if you like this hairstyle, go ahead and like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe because I have more things coming your way. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later. Bye.